Step 1. Gently file the surface of the gel polish to remove any shine using Step 3 on the buffer. The top layer won't soak off, so it's important to buff this away. Step 2. Soak cotton wool in remover and place on top of nails. Hold the cotton wool in place using tinfoil and leave for 5 minutes. Polish should start to lift and dissolve away from the nail. Step 3. Using a steel cuticle pusher, gently remove the product from the nails, working from the cuticle down to the tip of the nail. Step 4. Using the buffer, you can remove any remaining gel polish on the nails, making sure to go gently in sweeping motions. Then follow the numbered steps on the buffer to add a shine. Now you can apply your cuticle oil and any hand creams to nourish the cuticles and nails.